Hey, so Johnny and I are in the process of redoing the generator bay, and as part of that, one of the gas lines sprung a leak. Real easy preventive maintenance stuff. We probably would have done it anyway. This is the old hose. As you can tell, it's really kind of real crackly. It's probably this one would have broken as well as the other one. We went to O'Reilly's and Napa and got a couple hoses made, so you can just go get the hoses made there. One of the things that we suggest is that you get the 1/4-inch caps to cover the ends of the pipes once you take them off, so that the air doesn't get into the lines. So it's just a couple wrenches, take off the fuel lines. They're about 2 feet long, maybe a little longer than 2 feet. They go in like this. You can see inside, one side attaches to the sidewall here. There's 2 attachments right here for each hose. This is the one that we just replaced. It goes to right here. You can see we attach it right there. We're about to replace this one right here. So this is on the generator, and then the other side is right here on the sidewall. Real easy. It's a real easy fix for $100 to get the pipes made. If you're working in here, just spend $100, get those pipes changed if they hadn't been already changed. So I hope that's helpful. Have a great day.